According to Onyx Industries, the new combat robotic dog developed by the company has garnered interest from the United States Marine Corps Special Operations Command. The business development director at Onyx stated that the command has already been testing the robotic dog. Will these biomimetic robots, represented by combat robotic dogs, lead the future trend of unmanned warfare? Today, let's talk about the new type of robotic dog tested by the U.S. Marine Corps. Equipped with Onyx Industries' Sentinel Remote Control System, this robotic dog can operate a machine gun mounted on its back. The U.S. military tested two models of robotic dogs, one with a 6.5mm caliber machine gun and the other with a 7.62mm caliber weapon. The U.S. military envisions using these robotic dogs in specialized operations and security missions. Fixed positions like tunnel exits are ideal for robotic dogs to patrol and guard. According to Onyx Industries, these robotic dogs differ significantly from previous models thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence technology. They are no longer just mobile weapons but have battlefield capabilities to identify enemies. The Sentinel Remote Control System integrates an electro-optical infrared sight and an AI digital imaging system on a single X360 turret. Once deployed in combat, the Sentinel system automatically scans enemy targets, including ground personnel, vehicles, and low-flying drones. This robotic dog can patrol autonomously, only alerting Allied soldiers once a target is identified. The soldier merely needs to authorize or deny firing, with the robotic dog handling all other tasks. Additionally, the Sentinel-equipped robotic dog operates without the need for nearby personnel. Onyx Industries claims that these robotic dogs can connect to all military and civilian communication networks, enabling communication with the base from anywhere in the world. Soldiers can operate these deployed robotic dogs from any location, achieving true set-and-forget functionality. The U.S. Marine Corps finds these new robotic dogs especially suitable for high-risk missions that are unsafe for human soldiers. With a compact design, the robotic dogs can move through narrow spaces inaccessible to personnel, making them valuable for intelligence gathering. Previously, special forces sometimes relied on military dogs, which required extensive training. If robotic dogs are mass-produced, they could reduce logistics costs and improve operational efficiency for the U.S. military. Until now, U.S. soldiers often had to search for enemies personally in trenches or narrow streets. However, close combat tasks may soon become unnecessary for human soldiers. Besides Onyx Industries' Sentinel robotic dog, the U.S. military has also tested robotic dogs from other manufacturers for mine and obstacle clearing. The U.S. military envisions these robotic dogs as ground drones, capable of surveillance and explosive ordnance disposal. Before AI advancements, the actions and judgments of robotic dogs required real-time operation by soldiers. Yet with improved AI technology, the combat significance of these robotic dogs has greatly increased. Beyond the Marine Corps, other branches of the U.S. military have conducted extensive tests on robotic dogs for security purposes. The U.S. Air Force has even deployed armed robotic dogs for regular patrols at bases like Tyndall and Nellis, while Dyess Air Force Base has equipped a fleet of Sentinel robotic dogs that act as mechanical guardians, patrolling the perimeter like something out of a sci-fi movie. Onyx Industries acknowledges that today's advancements in Sentinel robotic dogs are a result of sustained investments in this field by the American defense industry. The robotic dog's combat capabilities depend on the reliable performance of its mobile platform, specifically the Vision 60 Unmanned Ground Vehicle (UGV) chassis by Ghost Robotics, also known as QUGV. Ghost Robotics designed QUGV as a high-durability, all-terrain UGV for defense, national resource surveys, and commercial applications, capable of adapting to diverse urban and natural environments. Whether it's for remote intelligence gathering, battlefield surveillance, or temporary battlefield communication, Vision 60 fulfills a wide range of mission needs. When the U.S. Air Force began preliminary UGV patrols in 2020, it clarified that unmanned vehicles were not meant to immediately replace human soldiers, but to provide strategic sensory data from mission zones. Even using these UGVs solely for mobile monitoring would enhance base defense. Ghost Robotics designed the robotic dog's water resistance to IP IP68 standards, allowing it to enter water up to 1.5 meters deep. This feature is especially crucial for Tyndall Air Force Base on Florida's Gulf Coast, an area prone to hurricanes. In 2018, Hurricane Michael struck the coastline near Tyndall, causing significant damage and costing the Air Force millions. Such conditions create a demand for UGVs and provide an ideal environment for simulating harsh battlefield conditions. According to Ghost Robotics, these UGVs incorporate biomimetic principles based on the movement of small mammals like cats and dogs. The QUGV can adjust to terrain changes by sensing the ground with its feet and modifying its movement patterns accordingly. The Vision 60 robot uses micro-force output adjustments in its motors to evaluate terrain and can even function with its sensors turned off, capable of climbing stairs or walking. If a UGV falls on ice, it can right itself and continue moving based solely on its basic configuration. Ghost Robotics considered the extreme usage scenarios the UGVs would face when designing its central processor, which operates at only 1 watt yet manages the entire system, ensuring extended operational times. According to the Air Force, robotic dogs in combat could link to its operational data network. In future research, Ghost Robotics aims to modularize robotic dogs, allowing regular soldiers to disassemble and assemble them within 2 minutes. This modularity enables soldiers to equip robotic dogs with various items like light weapons, explosives, antennas, or other tactical gear, depending on the mission requirements. In addition to the United States, Russia and South Korea have also conducted significant research and development on biomimetic robots for potential military applications, acknowledging their vast utility in future combat scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest videos. Leave a comment